For over 30 years in senior HR roles, such as Global Head of Leadership at UBS, I've worked hard to make organisations more successful. But there are fundamental challenges. One of them is that organisations are just not utilising the data that they could collect and leverage on their people. And the other one is, despite their efforts, they are really not building human-centric environments in which people can grow, develop, thrive and give their best. The research shows quite clearly that in organisations in developed countries, only 30% of people are engaged, giving their best. Now, as someone who's been one of HR's most influential thinkers 10 times in annual awards, I've spent a lot of time looking at this landscape. And in both of those areas, we have massive potential for improvement. And that is exactly what our new MSc is designed to do, to focus on those two areas and to give you the opportunity to grow and develop your capabilities in this leading edge area, to add value to your organisation and become an asset, and give you the skills and capabilities to make you more successful for the rest of your career.